Welcome back. So, in the first video, we learned about the basics of Excel, rows, columns, formatting, and also a quick calculation. But let's be honest, in the real world, the data never looks that much clean. Usually, it's full of messy, full of duplicates, null values, random spaces, and inconsistent text. So in this video, I'll show you how to make a data clean in Excel, removing duplicates, null values, and also the blank spaces. This might sound small, but trust me, this might make or break your analysis.
First up, let's tackle duplicate rows. In my data set here, you can see Apple is listed twice. That's a duplicate. If we don't remove it, our tools will be inflated. So what I'll be doing is highlighting the whole table, go to the data tab, then select remove duplicates, then select all, click OK, and done. You get a pop-up message, one duplicate value of font. That was an Apple. It got removed. Click OK. Excel removes the duplicate and gives a confirmation message just like that. And that's it. Excel instantly deletes duplicate rows and keeps only the unique values. One click, problem solved. But now we need to add a total sales, which was there in our previous video. Seem like that. For that, I'll be going to home tab, selecting that some value. Then here you go. Or else, if you want the formula, you can just click on this one. You get a formula which lead to this. So now one of the sneakiest problem with dataset is extra spaces. They hard to see, but they completely mess up analysis. For example, if I type banana like space before the word, it's like which one Excel won't recognize it as the same the original banana. So as you can see, there's a space here. To fix this, Excel gives us a very useful formula called trim. Trim removes all those extra spaces from text just by using the clean value. So if you go to the column E and create a new clean product, I need to type formula, which is trim here to press enter. Apple says the same, but if you drag it down, as you can see, there's no space in banana here, like it's there in here. Now look at this, the banana that had a hidden space has been fixed. The trim function cleaned it up perfectly. So as you can see here in the A3 there's a space and here there's no space. So another common issues in dataset is inconsistent text case. Sometimes product names or customer names are written in all caps, sometimes all lowercase and sometimes in proper case. As you can see, Apple got a small cases and in banana it's upper cases and in orange it's a small proper case. Now Excel treats Apple as the same thing logically, but visually it looks messy and unprofessional. Let's fix this using some simple text functions. So Excel gives us three really useful functions. They are upper makes everything uppercase, lower makes everything lowercase, proper capitalizes the first letter of each word. So in E1, I'll write it as uppercase. Then in E2, I'll type upper A2. So we got in caps letter as you can see. I'll make another header for lowercase, you can see. And I'll type in this one lower A2, which is already Snapple. So in the auto, I'll go for the proper case, which is, and in G1, I'll write it as proper case. And this one, my favorite for names and products, makes it proper case, like keeps the first letter capital, rest of the small, which is useful for analysis. So I'll write it proper auto. As you can see, we got three different values, so you can just drag it down here. Banana. So personally, for things like product names or customer names, I prefer proper because it makes them look clean and professional as you can see without shorting in all capital letters. So shows how banana became in proper format instead of going for the caps letter. So that's how you fix inconsistent text case in Excel using just three simple functions upper, lower, and proper. You can make your dataset bit much cleaner and presentation ready.
So in this video, we have cleaned our messy dataset by removing duplicates, trimming out hidden spaces, and also some of the text cases as well. So this is the first part to turn the raw data into something usable analytics. So in the next video, we'll continue with find and replace text to columns and also handling missing data. Don't forget to subscribe and check the playlist so that you don't miss it. Thank you. Bye bye.